Welcome project management enthusiasts to a journey through vital metrics that power the engine of Agile methodology. Velocity, Burndown Charts and Burnup Charts. In the fast-paced realm of software development, these tools are the compass guiding teams to success. Imagine having the ability to measure your team's consistency and performance with precision. Velocity, a numerical reflection of completed work in each sprint, is the heartbeat of Agile projects. It's a difference between chaos and cohesion, providing a tangible metrics for teams to gauge and improve their efficiency. Companies like Lucid, Atlassian, UseMotion uses this approach. First up, we will understand what is a Burndown chart. Then we will have a look at the benefits of Burndown charts. After that, we will cover what is Burnup charts. Then we will study about the benefits of Burndown charts and move on to what is velocity. And at the end, we are going to conclude our session with how to calculate the velocity. So guys, let's start with what is a Burndown chart. A Burndown chart is a graphical representation of work left to do versus time. It is a fundamental tool in Agile and Scrum methodologies, which is used to track the progress of a project by displaying the amount of work that remains to be completed in a sprint. Simply put down, a Burndown chart is like a visual map that shows how much work is left to do in a project over time. Imagine it as a graph where time goes from left to right and the amount of work remaining goes up and down. In Agile and Scrum, it's a crucial tool to see if the team is on track. The chart has an ideal line showing how much work should decrease each day. As a team works, they can compare their progress in this line. It's a bit like fitness tracker for projects. So this was all about the Burndown chart. Now we will understand the benefits of the Burndown chart. The benefits of Burndown charts are manifold. They provide transparency and visibility to the team progress, enabling early identification of potential issues or bottlenecks. Additionally, they facilitate effective decision-making by highlighting deviations from the planned work, allowing for timely adjustments to the project scope or resources. Next we have is what is a Burnup chart. In Agile project management, a Burnup chart is like a progress picture. It shows how much work has been done over a time. What cool is that it also displays the total amount of work we plan to do, known as the scope. So it's just not about what less to do, it also lets everyone to see how project's plan has changed as we have been working on. It's a bit different from the Burndown chart, and it only focuses on what is left. With Burnup chart, you get the big picture of both what's done and how the project has grown or changed along the way. So we just understood what is a Burnup chart. Next, we will look at the benefits of the Burnup chart. Burnup chart offers multifaceted benefits in Agile project management. These charts provide a holistic view of project's progress by facilitating both completed work and total project scope. This comprehensive visibility aids in effective scope management, preventing scope creep and aligning the project expectation. Burnup charts also empower informed decision-making through real-time data insights, enhancing communication and collaboration within team with stakeholders, and serves as a motivational tool by highlighting the milestones and achievements. Overall, Burnup charts play a pivotal role in promoting transparency, aligning goals, and ensuring the success of Agile projects. So these were some benefits of a Burnup chart. Now let's move on and understand what is velocity. Just a quick info for you, if you want to become a certified Scrum Master, our exclusive certification training course awaits. Unlock your potential with our Certified Scrum Master certification training course. Enjoy 2 days of immersive virtual classes, a 2-year membership with Scrum Alliance, and earn 20 PDUs and 16 SUs. By course end, master Scrum and Agile methodologies, understand the Agile Scrum lifecycle, terminologies, daily Scrum review, and much more. Don't miss out, enroll now, find course links in the description box. So what is velocity? Velocity is a measure of how much work a team can complete in a given period, such as sprint or an iteration. Velocity is calculated by adding up the estimated effort or story points of task or user stories that team has finished and accepted as done. Imagine the team as a group of runners and the race as a sprint or an iteration in a project. Velocity tells us how much work the team can finish in that sprint or iteration. To calculate velocity, we must add up the estimated effort or story points of all the tasks or user stories that a team has completed and accepted as done. It's like adding up the distances each runner has covered the race. This gives us a measure of the team's productivity and capacity for work. By tracking velocity over multiple sprint or iteration, the team can understand how much work they can typically handle. This helps them plan and forecast how much work they can complete in future sprints. If the team's velocity is consistent, it's like knowing how fast the runners can go in each race. If the velocity changes, it's like the runners either speeding up or slowing down in the race. Overall, velocity is a useful tool for teams to understand and improve their productivity in project management. Now we move on to the next topic, that is how to calculate the velocity. Velocity in context of Burnup charts are often used in Agile project management. Refers to amount of work completed during a given period of time. To calculate velocity, you typically sum up the estimates of the task completed in a given iteration or sprint. This sum represents the total amount of work completed by the team during that time frame. To calculate the velocity, follow these steps. First, at the end of the sprint, sum up the story points or task estimates for all the completed work items. Second, this sum represents the velocity for that sprint. For example, if during a 2-week sprint, the team completes the estimated 30 story points, then the velocity of that sprint is 30. Velocity is a useful metric for predicting how much work a team can complete in future sprint. It provides a basis for forecasting project timelines and helps in managing stakeholders' expectations. Understanding velocity can also aid in identifying trends in team productivity and in making informed decisions about resource allocation and project planning. By tracking velocity over multiple sprints, team can gain insights into their capacity and improve their ability to deliver value consistently. So this is how the velocity is calculated. And there you have it, folks. We have navigated the dynamics and the landscape of Agile methodologies, uncovering the secrets behind velocity, Burndown charts and Burnup charts. From understanding the consistent delivery management of velocity to visualizing project progress with Burndown charts and gaining holistic insights through Burnup charts. These tools are backbone of successful Agile project management. If you found this exploration valuable, do not forget to hit the like button.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.